Part 3 on 4 easy ways to make backgrounds for your art journal pages. Okay, so in today's video, I'm doing a drizzling technique with the acrylic inks. And they're acrylic, not alcohol inks. And to me, this is really a fun one to do. I mean, this is actually, what you see underneath is the end result. But my color palette is yellow and green and this kind of shimmery turquoise. And then this, I am so cheap. I mean, when these things get close to empty, instead of, I want to get every little bit I can out of my paints, I put water in it, and so then it becomes very, very liquidy and drizzly. So this was my white that I kind of dabbled on top instead of, buying a white ink. But that's only because I had it. I mean, I think I had a white ink, but it dried out on me so quickly, so it's no more. So I had to improvise and use this. So anyway, this is the next video, and away we go. So the first thing I do is grab a plastic spray bottle of water and spray the paper down pretty good, and then you start adding and drizzling the color, and that's about as simple as it gets. So just watch the process as it unfolds. All right, so now I'm using a wooden, like shish kebab skewer to kind of drag and draw the paint around to mix it kind of all together. See, I think at this point I added or sprayed some more water on it so it'll be a little bit runnier, so that when I move the book around, the paints will kind of blend in, and I don't know, makes a really cool effect. So it's really a really neat abstract background. Well, this is it. I hope you enjoyed watching me paint this background using the acrylic inks. This is the third one in my series that I'm doing, how to make backgrounds for journal pages. And I think I mentioned a lot of these techniques you can use on canvases as well. But anyway, if you enjoyed watching it, I do have one more coming up, and it's going to be how to add texture to your background using tissue paper. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please comment or subscribe. Let me know what you think, and see you next time.